In the television era, during a specific time of the day, when people are glued to their TVs and watching their favorite shows, is called a prime time. During this time, advertisers have to pay more in order for their ads to be shown during prime time on a top rating show. Today it is almost similar when an ad appears on a video when you are watching it. Except that there are many social media sites to choose from, but where to start? With lots of choices, things can be a little bit confusing. So which one is the best place to start? So, in this video we will try to compare each social media platforms. Which one is easier and cheaper to start as a content creator? Specifically, being a video content creator. Recent data analytics show that there are only 4 main social media sites where you can upload your videos in order to make money out of it. With no particular order, on top of the list is Facebook, with 2.9 billion monthly active users. On Facebook you can upload videos, as long as it is an original content. And make sure background music is not copyrighted. Or else you will lose monetization. Facebook though requires at least 10,000 followers. 600,000 minutes of views for the last 60 days. And 5 active videos. That would be a bit difficult requirement for most starters, right? Generally, for regular videos on Facebook, it pays $1 to around $10 for 1,000 views. And for Reels, they will pay you 40 cents per 1,000 views. Next is TikTok. TikTok has a monthly active users of 1 billion. In TikTok you need to have a range of at least 1,000 to 10,000 followers in order to monetize a video. This is a nano type of influencer. The most successful influencers on TikTok have as high as over 1 million followers. For a nano influencer you can get paid from $5 to $25 per post. With 1 million followers you get paid from $2,500 per post. So depends really on how you become as an influencer on TikTok. But you also need to grow your followers organically. Another way to earn is through TikTok Creator Fund. Your video earnings will depend on how your video performs. TikTok then pays you from 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So for example, for 500,000 views, TikTok will pay you $20. That's a lot of views with a very small amount. Okay, next stop is Instagram. With 2 billion monthly active users. As a main requirement, you need to have a certain number of followers in order to become an influencer status. In general at least 10,000 or more followers would be considered in that status. So growing your followers organically would be a bit difficult and would probably take longer. With an influencer status, you can create videos as a seller or a brand ambassador on Instagram, since about 80% of Instagram users follow a certain type of business on the platform. The niche may have not changed much as it is concentrated on fashion, food, beauty and fitness. And lastly, but definitely not the least, is YouTube. YouTube has 2.5 billion monthly active users. YouTube's requirement has been a bit higher before than this year. Today, YouTube only requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your videos in the previous year. That's a lot easier compared to other social media platforms. In most YouTube users, it is very easy to reach the 1,000 subscribers requirement. Though it will take a bit of time to earn the 4,000 hours of video watch time. In general, YouTube pays $1 per 1,000 views of a video. Now that is already way higher than other social media sites. But it also increases as the niche of the specific video targets specific audiences like technology, health and travel etc. So the payment could get as high as $30 per 1,000 views. Crazy, isn't it? Even though YouTube has the most strictest music copyright in the industry, you can still get copyright-free music to be used on your videos. So, would you believe it? That YouTube is way easier and the most practical way to start as a video content creator online?
If you like to watch more of this rich content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching.